Ate Gia po. Kasi, yun nga, she's super experienced siya na setter and I'm excited to be like na maging setter siya sa team namin. And yun nga, nakaka-pressure pero masaya siya, magandang experience siya for me.
Po, same din kay Ate Thea. I'm really looking forward na maging setter si Ate Gia. Kasi before, parang nakikita ko lang po siya nagsiset, ganyan. And then, sobrang ganda niya talaga. I mean, meron talaga siyang connection to each and everyone sa loob. And yun yung pinakagandahan ko. And, you know, makikita mo yung maturity niya inside. Makikita mo yung leadership niya. Kaya gusto ko din siyang makasama. Yung nilook forward ko. And also, yung nilook forward ko din is yung sila Cassie, Nonggalio, si Bella Belen, sila Ate Alay Solomon. Kasi syempre, magkalaban kami sa APS. So I really look forward na makalaro sila sa national team and isa yung goal namin.
Si Ate Gia Morado kasi I've been looking up to her ever since. And sobrang nakaka-excite na hindi ko ma-imagine ever na magiging teammate ko pala siya. So yun, I'm really looking forward to what I'll get to learn from her also and the rest of our aunties na nasa teams, yung mga veterans din, kung what I'll get to learn from all of them individually.